how to use referral code on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can use referral code. So to use a referral code, first thing first, make sure that you already have a Temu account, and along with that, you also need to make sure that you're connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, first of all, log into your Temu account, and once you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now, in order to use a referral code, all you need to do is just log into your Temu account, and after that you need to go to your profile or the U icon. As soon as you've done that, it's going to take you to this interface where you need to go ahead and tap on coupons and offer. After you click on coupons and offer, you need to enter the coupons code, and then you need to click on the apply button in order to use the referral code. After you've done that, you have successfully used a referral code on Temu. So in that way, you can use referral code on Temu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.